A Newark man is arrested for threatening to kill a federal judge. This comes as another magistrate whose son was murdered is pushing for legislation to protect judges.
CBS 2's Lisa Rozner reports from Essex County.
An unnamed U.S. District Court judge was the subject of multiple threats this week, according to the U.S. Attorney for New Jersey. A criminal complaint alleges 46-year-old Jonathan D. Williams of Newark called the judge's chambers Monday about getting a civil suit he filed in front of a jury immediately. He called again, saying, "Before the snow starts falling on my head, I'm going to put a bullet in the judge's brain." It was one of at least 3 verbal threats, and he was arrested Tuesday at a Newark law office. Williams refused to make a first court appearance. The judge says he has an extensive criminal history, including a restraining order. It comes as there's a push nationwide for extra protection for judges.
Anytime you see news about a judge being threatened, it really hits home.
U.S. District Judge Esther Salas lost her son Daniel Androl in July 2020 in an ambush attack at her North Brunswick home. A self-proclaimed anti-feminist fatally shot Daniel when he came to the door and wounded her husband Mark Androl, who today is still recovering. Salas survived. She was in the basement at the time.
The anniversary of his death just passed July 19th, his 21st birthday. He would have been 21 on July 13th. Time's passed. We need to act. We need to act now.
Bipartisan federal legislation named after her son would make it a crime to publish online or anywhere else the personal addresses and telephone information of judges or their families. The U.S. Marshals Service says threats have more than quadrupled since 2015.
Every day is a reminder of what my life is going to be for the rest of my life on earth. And we have to never forget the sacrifices Daniel made. And we have to do something now to send a message that democracy will be protected.
Salas has been back at work as a judge since March. As the daughter of Cuban and Mexican immigrants, she says she's proud to be an American, proud to defend the Constitution, but she admits judges need help. In Essex County, New Jersey, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
And Salas is not the only judge in our area to suffer a loss after being targeted. Back in 1988, Judge Richard Duranko was assassinated at his home in Westchester County. The county's courthouse was renamed in his honor.